Welcome to our channel Road Thrills. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Daihatsu Feroza, a compact SUV that combines rugged capability with modern style. Daihatsu has refreshed the Feroza to cater to adventurers and city dwellers alike. Let's take a closer look at what this versatile Jeep has to offer. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Feroza boasts a bold, updated design. Its front grille is striking, featuring a mesh pattern framed by sharp LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights. The rugged bumper and skid plates emphasize its off-road capabilities, while the slightly flared wheel arches and 18-inch alloy wheels add a sporty touch. The two-tone paint options and a new metallic finish enhance its aesthetic appeal. Compact in size yet muscular in stance, it's perfect for navigating tight urban streets and rugged trails. Inside, the Feroza's cabin is a pleasant surprise. The 2025 model features a significant upgrade in materials and technology. The dashboard is sleek and modern, equipped with a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system supporting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Soft touch surfaces and premium fabric upholstery give the interior a more upscale feel, while options for leather seats elevate the experience. The ergonomically designed seats are supportive and provide a comfortable ride, whether you're on a long journey or tackling bumpy trails. With a versatile cargo space that expands by folding down the rear seats, the Feroza ensures practicality for your daily needs and weekend adventures. Performance-wise, the Feroza packs a punch for its size. It's powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine, delivering 150 horsepower and 250 Newton-meters of torque. The engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual or a CVT transmission, catering to driving preferences. The all-wheel drive system ensures confidence on rough terrain, and its lightweight body allows for agile handling in urban settings. Despite its rugged capabilities, the Feroza maintains a commendable fuel efficiency of around 30 miles per gallon, making it an economical choice for daily drivers. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Daihatsu Feroza offers excellent value for money. Starting at around $23,000, it undercuts many rivals in its class while delivering impressive features. Higher trims, equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, premium materials, and added off-road accessories, are priced up to $28,000. Overall, the 2025 Daihatsu Feroza is a well-rounded compact SUV that excels in design, comfort, and versatility. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or a city commuter, it promises a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews.